Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python. Today's lesson is going to be joining tuples like we did with joining list in previous lessons. So we're going to look at how we'll be able to join lists using this operator over here, as well as multiplying tuples and the difference between multiplying tuples and joining it. First off, with joining two tuples using an operator, the plus sign operator. Now, with tuples, we can join any sort of values that we wish. I have the basic values over here with Boolean, integer, string, and float. True, false, true, 2, 5, 6, 6, 8, hi, hello, hey, and 2.5, 33.4. We've learned this previously. Now, you can join it with print, or you can simply create, another variable entirely, or a tuple that basically, can have the name of all tuples joined or something like that. And you can write it Boolean values plus integer values, just like what I did here to the print line. And what do you think will be the result of joining tuples this way? Well, since I wrote Boolean values first, we're going to have true, false, true, and then 2, 5, 6, 6, 8. All of this will be joined into one data set, one tuple, basically. Next up, multiplying tuples, which is a little bit different from joining them, because when you join them, it's kind of just like adding them, and all of the values that you join, stay in one place together. But with multiplying tuples, it's more accurate to say that this is duplication, okay? So I have greetings numbers, right? So greetings number 2 equals to greetings times 2. Greetings 2 equals greetings times 2 would be hi, hello, hey, hi, hello, hey, right? So there are duplicate values and they go by the same order. So it's not hi, hi, hello, hello, and hey, hey, okay? And similarly with integers or floats or booleans, they work very much the same way to what I've just demonstrated. So let's have Boolean values equals to true, false, and true, okay? And then let's work on, integer values. My bad of capitalizing. 22. Let's go with 50, okay, 33, and 1, 2, 3. Now let's go down here and have string values. Let's have some greetings. Hi, hey, hello, and what's up, okay? Let me just remove the capitalization because I do like consistency. Lastly, float values, which is a bunch of decimal. Okay, 67.8, 99.3. Okay, all good. Now let's try to combine them. All values equals Boolean values plus integer values, and print all values, print string values, plus float values, okay? Now let's go down to multiplication, print string values times 3, okay? We're going small first. Print integer values times, let's say, 70, okay? Contrast the save. Oh, I almost forgot the plus sign over there, my bad. Now let's run this little thing. Okay, as you can see here, we have Boolean values plus integer values, so we get a combination of this and this, as you can see here. Okay, and the same goes with string values and float values. Hi, hey, hello, hey, what's up, and then a bunch of decimals. And now we get string values multiplied by 3, but they go by the same order. Hey, hi, hey, hello, what's up, hi, hey, you know the gist, okay? And as for this one, integer values times 70, so it's the same thing, same order, but just so many times, okay? So it's a lot. Now, thank you for watching. Our next topic's quite an exciting one. Going to be diving into a new data sets in Python, aptly named sets. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.